family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. I am back today with a huge grocery haul, and today this haul is going to be from Sam's Club and also Walmart. Alright, so let me show you guys what we got. Okay guys, so over here we are going to start with our Walmart haul. Everything over here is from Walmart. I believe I separated everything. Yes, I did separate everything by store. So let's start over here. So we did get some Minute Maid juices here. We were all out of our drinks. We usually buy these juices all the time. They're good. We like them. So over here, we got some strawberry lemonade. And we also got some mango punch. We got watermelon, another strawberry lemonade, and we got some fruit punch. Okay. And then over here, we have a container of 4C iced tea. Right down here, my little helper, we got some Bigelow Earl Grey tea. And then just over here we have some hash browns. We had to pick up another onion powder and celery salt. We were running low. We used that in everything that we cook, pretty much everything. We also got a large box of the buttermilk complete pancakes. Now I actually never seen the giant size pancake mix. I'm happy that they had the giant size because I was planning on getting 2 boxes, but there was no need. We got this one giant size box, so this should last us for quite a while. We also got a large size of the butter rich syrup as well, and this is larger than the average syrup size, which is also good. We also got a bag of sugar here, and we had to get another box of the Roger Wood lumberjack sausage. Just over here, we have a box of the Eggo blueberry waffles as well. It's 24 waffles in this pack, and this should last us a while. Okay, right back here, guys, we have the 18 pack of eggs, and this is actually a 2-pack. Okay, so we actually had 36 eggs all together. All right, and this was actually just below $5. I believe it was like $4.90 something. Okay, and guys, my little helper, guys, my nails are a mess. I did not polish my nails. My nail polish is just coming off, and I hate how that looks, so I do not want to have my hands in the video with crazy looking nail polish. So this is my little helper for today. I hope you guys like it. I think it's kind of cute myself. Okay, so I have some Black Label bacon here. If you love bacon and you have not tried the Black Label maple bacon, you have got to try it. This bacon is so good, and it's addictive. We love this bacon. I have 2 packs here. It's another one right under there. Okay, and then just under the bacon, I have a large pack of the Swai fillet fish. This fish is very good. We love having fish sandwiches, things like that. Like if you want to just cook something really quick, late night, you know, hungry or whatever. Yes, Swai fillets are the best. Okay, and this is a large pack. This is not the average size. This is one of the giant size packs from Walmart. And over here we had to get some vegetables. We have some chopped spinach here. We have 2 bags of the chopped spinach. We also have some mixed vegetables. And we have some pepper and onion blend. I use this in almost everything. So we usually always try and keep this in the house. I have a bag of the California style vegetable mix. I'm the only one in the house that eat this. I will just take this, put it into a bowl, roast it in the air fryer. And I sometimes put a little chicken bouillon on it to give it a little flavor, or just regular salt and pepper. And I could eat this as a meal during the week. I don't really need any meat with this. This will fill me up a whole bowl of vegetables. Then I wanted to get a bag of Brussels sprouts. Over here we have a large bag of the Totino's pizza rolls. This is the triple cheese flavor. Right back here we had to restock on some bagels, so we got a bag of the cinnamon raisin bagels, and we got a bag of plain bagels back there, and we have a bag of the cinnamon raisin bread. We also had to get another container of the whipped cream cheese. We had to pick up some snacks, so we got a package of Chips Ahoy cookies, and up here we have a box of the Lay's potato chips. These are the miniature bags, 10 bags inside this box. We also have a package of Pringles. It's 16 cans in here, and we also have a box of the Frito-Lay chips. It's 18 bags in here, and these are the flavors. sour cream and onion, cheddar and sour cream, honey barbecue twist, this is the Frito twist, crunchy Cheetos, puffy Cheetos, and Funyuns. So that will be all for our Walmart haul. That's everything that we got from Walmart. And in Walmart, we spent exactly $146.46 for these grocery items. Okay, now on to Sam's Club. Okay, so we're gonna start over here in the back. So right down here, we got a package of the super sweet corn on the cob. Right down here, we got some of the hamburger patties. This is the miniature style hamburger patties from Sam's Club. So we will have sliders one day this week, and we'll be having these on Hawaiian rolls. We also have a large pack of pork chops, and actually these guys was $13.03. Okay, and over here we got a large pack of pork chops. As you can see, this package here was $17.36. And we have a long roll of ground beef. So this ground beef, I'm going to split into 4s. And this was $39.30. Okay. Right over here, we have a 12-pound bag of gold medal flour. We have a bag of, actually 2 bags of the crispy crinkle french fries. We have one here. We have one right over there. This is the 8-pound family size bag. And then right over here, we have the Premio sweet Italian sausage. We love Premio sausage. They are so good. We like them off the grill, in the air fryer, in the frying pan, however you like it. Then we have a big bag of the party wings. Right back here, we have a large package of the chicken breasts. We have a large box of the Jimmy Dean croissant sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches. You know, we are all about quick grab and go meals, especially during the week when we're trying to get out of the house, things like that. Well, I work from home, but I still need a quick meal from time to time. You know, when you start working, walk away from the desk, just go downstairs, grab it, heat it up, go right back to the desk, good to go. And these are good to just grab, you know, when you're on your way to work, things like that. Eat it in the car. Anyway, right over here, we have a box of DiGiorno pizzas. It's 3 pieces in here. This is the pepperoni flavor. Okay. And then over here, guys, we have our bread. This is again from Sam's Club. This is the honey wheat bread by Sara Lee. And then over here we have a large package. This is a twin pack of the original Hawaiian rolls. So like I said, we're gonna have the hamburger sliders on these rolls. Then over here we have the mini package of the 7-Up root beer and orange soda variety. It's 3 cans in here, and this is the mini size cans. I like these because most times I can't really finish a whole can of soda. I don't really drink soda that much anymore, but sometimes I may have the craving for something a little bubbly. So at least we have some. This should last us a while here in the house. Then I have a large bag of the yellow onions. We use a lot of onions in this house with our meals and everything, so this should last us for quite a while. Then over here we have 2 packages of the rotisserie chicken. We have company today, so I wanted to make sure we had enough. This will be for dinner today. I'm going to put some stuffing on the side of this, and I'll probably make some yellow rice and a vegetable. And then over here we have the perfect pair bite-sized potatoes. Right over here we have another box of the top ramen noodles. This is the chicken flavor. Then right over here we have the twin pack of the Simply orange juice. Just over here we have a gallon of white milk, and we have a package of the hefty 250 plates. Right down here we have a huge box of forks, 600. Guys, if you watched my last grocery haul, I told you my family, I think they're eating the forks with their dinner, and they're just disappearing. So we try to keep plastic forks in the house. I am afraid to just buy another box of silverware because I'm tired of buying silverware and they're disappearing. They're just growing legs and walking out of the house. So anyway, till then, till I decide to buy more silverware, we're going to use plastic forks. Okay. And back here, we have 2 packages of the Dawn Power Wash. If you haven't used this yet, y'all, you have to try it. This stuff is amazing. It cleans very well. It's really good for our glass top stove. It's really good for your cabinets. It's really good for your dishes. It's really good for the inside of your stove. Pretty much everything. This stuff is amazing, and we try and keep some in the house at all times, as you can see. And right over here we have the variety pack of pasta, and this box includes 2 boxes of penny pasta, 2 boxes of spaghetti, and 2 boxes of elbows. And right next to that we got the 3-pack of ragu. This is the traditional flavor. I usually don't buy the traditional. I usually get like the onion garlic or roasted garlic, but it's okay because I always add to my spaghetti sauces anyway. So I know how to add the right seasonings to make sure that this traditional is no longer traditional. And then over here we have a large container of pear halves. I also have, guys, let me tell you what happened with this. So I originally had this container of pineapples right here. I originally had this one, and then I ran into this one. Now this one's in coconut water, so I said I'd rather take this one, and we were supposed to put this one back. Now we got distracted in Sam's Club because we had forgot something. I forgot what it was, but we ended up turning around and going back to get whatever that was. I had this in the cart the whole time, and I meant to take this back to the section, to the produce section. Totally forgot, and we ended up at the register with 2 containers of pineapples, but it's okay, it'll get eaten. But I wish I had taken this one back because this thing was like $10, y'all. I was like, oh man, but it's all right. It's all right. It's okay. It'll get eaten. So anyway, we just got extra pineapples. Pineapples. And then we have some cotton candy grapes over here. And we also have some, a bunch of bananas. Right down here, guys, we picked up a package of the sweet cream butter. This is 4 packages in one, and it's 4 sticks in each. So this should last us quite a while. Right over here, guys, I picked up a container of the garlic butter with Parmesan cheese and basil. This should be absolutely delicious. And you know, I love using garlic butter with my eggs, so I'm gonna try it. I never used this kind though. I never used Chef Chamois, so I'm hoping that is good and just as good as the Kerrygold. Right over here, this was pretty popular. I watch a lot of grocery hauls on YouTube, and I see a lot of people purchasing these products, so I wanted to try it. So we have the Kinder's Japanese barbecue sauce. So I'm hoping this is actually really good. I love the Asian style barbecue sauce. We love ribs, you know, so hopefully this is a win, y'all. I'll let you know how I like it. Also, we picked up the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse blend, so this should be really good. We also picked up a large container of minced garlic. We use minced garlic in almost everything. And we have a large container of the Country Crock. We also have a large package of singles American cheese. It's 72 slices in this container. And last but not least, a case of water. Okay, guys, so in Sam's Club, we actually ended up spending $444.05, along with what we spent in Walmart, which was $146.04. Actually, $146.46 in Walmart. So altogether today, we spent $590.51 on groceries. So yes, y'all, $590.51. A lot of money. Inflation is insane. It's crazy how much groceries are now. But you gotta live, right, y'all? So you gotta do what you gotta do. Save and just buy in bulk. That's why we like shopping at places like Sam's Club. Okay, family and frenzies, that will conclude our grocery haul for today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. And guys, I would like to just take some time out and thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We appreciate you guys so much for all the support that you are giving us. And guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click that bell so that you receive all notifications so that you are aware when I'm posting a new video. And yeah, that will conclude our haul for today, guys. And you already know, I hope you all take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Bye.